Welcome to this audio guide on hand expression and breastfeeding, two essential practices for nurturing your baby's health and well-being. Hand expression is a valuable skill that allows you to extract breast milk from your breast using your hand. It's a useful technique when you need to express milk efficiently, whether you're away from your baby or need to relieve engorgement. To begin hand expression, find a comfortable and relaxing environment. Wash your hands thoroughly and position yourself in a comfortable chair with good back support. Gently massage your breast to stimulate milk flow, then place your thumb above the areola and your fingers below, forming a C shape. Apply gentle pressure inward towards your chest, and then roll your fingers forward towards the nipple. Repeat this motion rhythmically, adjusting pressure and position as needed until milk begins to flow. Collect the expressed milk in a clean container and store it properly for later use. Breastfeeding is a natural and nurturing way to provide your baby with essential nutrients, antibodies, and bonding experiences. Establishing a successful breastfeeding routine requires patience, practice, and support. Begin by finding a comfortable breastfeeding position that works for you and your baby. Ensure your baby's mouth is wide open with their lips flanged outward, forming a good latch onto your breast. Listen for rhythmic sucking and swallowing sounds, indicating that your baby is feeding effectively. Pay attention to your baby's hunger cues, such as rooting, sucking motions, or hand-to-mouth gestures, and feed them on demand. Remember to stay hydrated and well-nourished to support your milk production. Both hand expression and breastfeeding offer numerous benefits for both you and your baby. Hand expression can help relieve engorgement, maintain milk supply, and provide milk for your baby when direct breastfeeding isn't possible. Breastfeeding promotes bonding between you and your baby, boosts their immune system, and supports their healthy growth and development. As you navigate your breastfeeding journey, remember to seek support from healthcare professionals, lactation consultants, and support groups if you encounter challenges or have questions. With patience, practice, and perseverance, you can develop the skills and confidence needed to nourish your baby through hand expression and breastfeeding.